Hey guys, we received this smartwatch for test and try. This can be used by both men and women. It's a fitness tracker watch for Android phone or iPhone, and it's compatible for both. So comes in a really nice pack with the two bands, one silicone and one chain, charging cable. So this watch is really nice in terms that along with the time and everything, it can also measure your blood oxygen, heart rate monitor, and have a sports modes on the different sport modes or the smartwatch thing. So see, like it really looks nice. So this have a voice assistant, weather forecast, or reminder things, and also have this app. So you have to download this app for the full function thing. Once you download and add this watch in it, you can use the microphone contacts or the call records and etc. from your phone. And yep, and it is compatible, as I said, for both iOS and Android with a nice battery life and a waterproof feature. Once this is all connected, you can do like the music control, stopwatch, brightness, medicine reminder, find phone, breath training, calculator, sedentary reminder, alarm clock, and camera control. So really looks nice and lightweight. It's not like that heavy. And then do all your tracking and exercise modes. And you can see like you can also change the face of the watch, so that is pretty nice thing, so you will feel a different watch all the time. So this connection is pretty straightforward, and this helps, and I tested this for the sleep monitoring and heart rate and other thing. It works really well, and also can measure your deep sleep and stuff. So very nice thing with a nice watch faces and very nice connectivity, along with the features of call, music, and all other things. So this one is really great, and of course you need to download this app to fully use this or use all the features of the watch. I'm just trying to use different features just to see how this feels and look, and hopefully, and you can also control all these different menu from the watch itself, from it is a touch screen. So overall, it's a really nice and great watch for your daily use. And yeah, you can explore the other features as well. The touchscreen is very responsive, and you can do a lot of stuff and things along with it. So this is a really great, lightweight and a good watch to monitor things. Also control your mobile music and everything. And also like you can change your strap and comes with two. Like if you don't like change, you can go for the silicone one and measure everything. The charging is pretty strict as well. You can just use this magnetic charger and charge this watch and use it the way you want. So overall, it's a nice smart watch for your daily purpose and daily use. And you can also customize it based on your need.